Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And in previous video, we seen how to integrate the LIDAR plugin with the UID of a ROS2 version. So, we integrate and we see the output in our ways, and we see the how the nodes are communicate between one another using a topic, using a RQD graph. We visualize using a node graph. These things we seen in our previous video. So in this video we will integrate the cartographer mapping without odometry information, and we'll do the map. And I already wrote the blog in a medium, so you will get an idea how to integrate the cartographer mapping without odometry information with the scan and TF information we needed to do the mapping. So yeah, we'll start the video. Before that, this is a medium blog. I will give this link in my description. You can follow that, and you'll get the idea how to integrate. And you need a basics, how to change the launch file, and then how to integrate the config file with your launch file thing. So then you need to understand what are the parameters we use, and here is including a map.row and a trajectory builders. Then the options is the map frame, we need to know about that, and tracking frame is a base link, and publishing frame is a base link, and the odom frame. Then after we'll use a provide a odom frame is a true. Then we'll use the odometry is a false, and use the odometry is a false. Then after narrow set landmark base false, and using a scan is 1 and eco scan is 0. IMU is a false. We are not using IMU here, right? So IMU is a false. So then we giving the range, building a 2D. So minimum range is 0.05 and maximum is 8, the LIDAR range. Then after we giving the miss data array change 8.5, and IMU we are not using IMU, so false. And then scan matching is true. So these are the parameters we are using in this config file. So let's we launch the thing. Yeah, we already launched the simulation. So the LIDAR plugin and type ROS topic list. So you can see the scan is available, right? So mapping, we need a source. So then enter into the SRC folder, launch, and you can see the config file is available. Install setup.bash, then enter into the SRC folder and launch it. So now type ROS2 launch Cartographer. So you will need to first, in a medium blog I will explain. So you need to install the cartographer mapping package from the sudo apt install ROS cartographer. Then installing that, you will enter into the cartographer thing, and you need to go to the config area, OTP area, and you need to take that package and you need to configure with your config file to launch the cartographer with the odometer information. So now open a new terminal, type ROS2 topic list. So now you can see the output with the map, right? So now for that you need to type this link also I will give in my description, so you can follow that. So then how the config file we need to configure, and so then after we need to launch a fake TF base link to the laser scan. Yeah, so now launch this and go to the RQT, type RQT graph to visualizing the nodes. I will close the previous ones and go to the plugins, go to the introspections notes, and you can see that joint state publisher things, and scan to the using a topic, it going to the cartographer and subline and the cartographer node. Right, so now we can launch the ROS2, the map frame, go to the add. So before that we need to add some object to the robot, right? Here the robot will add some obstacles to do the environmental map. Yeah, so now go to the ROS and go to the add my topics and map. Right, you can see the output. Its map is going on. I'm right. So then go to the tier. So once again we'll relaunch the map. So go to the add my topics and this. You can see the output. The map is buildable without odometry information. So for cartographer we need a odometry, right? So but in this video we see how to integrate the map without odometry. So you can follow the medium blog how to configure the config file with your so here you can see the cartographer, subline, the scan and the ROS, right? So in ROS you can see the map output also. So like this you can integrate with your hardware robot without odometry information using the config file parameters. So here in the config file I given in my descriptions the medium blog which have the config file configuration and explanation about things. The adjusting the value of the improving the performance depending on the sensor characteristics, and missing data arrays, use IMU data. If we using IMU we need to put it through, otherwise false. So then if you need to integrate the IMU, that blog also I wrote in my medium blog, you can find out from that. So how to add a plugin for differential driver IMU I will add in upcoming videos. Yeah, thank you, we'll see in next video.